Hey guys, it's me again, Louie, and welcome back to another vlog. Today's vlog is super exciting, you guys, because I have waited for this for 2 months already, and now it's finally here with me, and I cannot not make an unboxing video of this one. So let's make it short, sweet, and simple as I welcome you to another unboxing video of my recent purchase from my favorite Net-a-Porter. So if you guys are interested, please do keep on watching. But first, if you haven't joined the family yet, please do so by subscribing to my YouTube channel and make sure to hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever I have new videos like this or anything else. Hey again guys, so if you've already been watching my vlogs sometime around this month last year, I think one of the first few vlogs that I did for my channel was a huge Net-a-Porter unboxing haul as well. And as I've mentioned in that vlog, I do this or try to do this at least once a year to reward myself, or maybe, you know, to give myself a little pat on the back for a job well done with all these fashion pieces that I truly adore. So here I am again, sharing with you a little bit of heaven and happiness on today's vlog, because I believe fashion is an art and fashion inspires me in so many ways. So if you're up for it, let's get straight into it. So let's go with this huge box first. Oh my gosh! Okay, simulan na natin ito. Let's start with this one. Ayan, do you see it properly? This is from TV. It's a cutout linen blend blazer. It's so nice. It's so nice. Ayan yung likod. And again, front view. Okay, do you see it, guys? Okay, wait. Before I discuss something about this, this is naman the pairing shorts of the blazer. It's also a linen blend shorts. Yeah, it's a belted linen blend shorts. So, ayan, matching siya. Matching siya. Ang daming ingay sa labas. Oh, pasensya na. I cannot control, guys. Okay? So, okay. I have been wanting a TB piece in my closet for such a long time, guys. I think that the brand has a great mix of sophistication, masculinity, femininity, and boldness in their designs. It's so clean and effortless. Diba, guys? Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. I swear, I promise. It's super nice. Na-in-love ako. The quality is so good, you guys. So when I first saw this pair, I knew it's meant for me. Because you know what, guys? Mahilig ako sa coordinates lately. Because, you know, it saves me so much time and effort. I don't have to think about my outfit so much. It's chic and effortless as it is. So if I can remember it right, I have something similar to this pair. It's from Mango, and I think I wore that when I went to the farm at San Benito. If you guys want to check it out, I'm gonna be putting the link down below. And yeah, going back to this pair, super duper love the color. I am so much into brown, tan, nude or neutral color palettes lately, and parang almost lahat yata ng nagugustuhan ko lately is of neutral tones, or yeah, nag-iiba na yata talaga yung fashion ko lately, or pwede ring signs of aging, right? Less is more na kasi ang peg ko ngayon. The material is super luxe, by the way, you guys. It feels so good. I am loving linens lately as well. And I think kahit may lining siya sa loob, super perfect pa rin siya for summer. You know, just put on your favorite swimsuit underneath. Or if you're in the city naman, you just put on a nice bodysuit or maybe a sleeveless top. And then pair it with strappy heels or mandals. Grabe, super chic ka na. And of course, you can use it separately, diba, for office. So you can use the blazer lang, or you can use the shorts lang if you like, or pwede rin combo pa rin naman if smart casual yung peg sa office ninyo, you know, just throw in a nice, crisp, white polo underneath, then power heels, then yeah, boom. Diba? Effortless but polished. So, okay. Okay, you guys. Let's open this box first. Ooh! Okay. This is from By Far, guys. I have been loving the brand for quite a while already. So yeah, I'm so excited for this one. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Ang ganda, friends. I hope you guys can see it properly. So, nabanggit ko na yata yung strappy sandals kanina, diba? So, as you can see, ganito yung strappy sandals. So, yeah, it's back again. So, guys, strappy sandals are super in now. If you can notice, Bottega Veneta, Jacquemus, the Row and the likes, they have released such beautiful, minimalist, but eye-catching strappy heels. And so as By Far. It's so nice! Ang nice! At saka, by the way guys, if you also can notice, uso to ngayon, yung ganitong sole, yung parang pa-square. Ayan. It's so pretty, diba? Okay, so isusuot mo siya ng ganyan, and I think it goes all the way up to your ankle. The strap, like that. So, ang ganda niya kapag naka-shorts ka, kahit naka-loose pants ka, kahit naka-dress ka. I think you can never go wrong with a white minimalist sandals, diba? It's so pretty, guys. Ang ganda, and look at the heels. Diba? Hindi lang siya basta, ano, may shape siya. Ay, sorry, masyado palang mataas. May shape siya. It's so pretty. It's so pretty, guys. I'm so happy. I'm so happy with this purchase. I think I got it at a very, very, very good price. Nakalimutan ko lang kung magkano siya, but I'm gonna be flashing right here. Kung mahanap ko pa siya, I'm gonna be flashing the price somewhere here. Kasi nakalimutan ko na kung magkano. Pero I promise you guys, kaya ako siya binili kasi super mura na lang niya. So, yan. Ang ganda. I'm so happy. I'm so happy, so happy. Okay. Let's proceed. Okay. Now, it's so pretty, you guys. I hope you can see it. That's the material. This is the Zimmerman Bellitude Floral Print Swimsuit. Ang ganda niya, friends. And look at the back. Boom. Diba? Low back siya. Ang sexy. I love it. Ang sexy, ang dainty. Just the way I like. Okay. Ang ganda. I can't get over. I can't get over. Ang ganda niya. Super. Seriously, guys, I think Zimmerman is really one of the best resort wear brands out there. Their designs are unique because of their clever color combinations and prints. Look at that, guys. It's dainty, it's feminine, and so fashionable. Ang ganda talaga. I'm so in love with this one. Guys, medyo expensive lang talaga siya. But, would you believe that I scored this for 80% off? O, diba? Super bongga, guys. Super bongga. So, when I saw it, tapos meron pa akong size, oh my gosh, I just had to get it. I'm so happy with this one. Oh my god. Okay, first box done. Second box. It's again the receipt. Ang ganda! Oh my gosh, ang ganda! Ang ganda. Look at the detail, guys. So this is RUIS Biba Crochet Lace Dress. Ang ganda! It's a mini dress, obviously. Guys, uso yung mga mini dress kasi ngayon, diba? Did I get it at the right size? Oh my gosh, I got a medium pala. Sana hindi siya maluwag. Hopefully, hindi siya maluwag. So, yeah. But anyway, ang ganda niya, friends and countrymen. I hope I got the right size. So, guys, if you're not familiar, RUIS is a luxury resort wear brand from Ibiza, Spain. And I think they really make nice vacation dresses. Look at that details, you guys. I told you my fashion choices have become more subtle with an effortlessly chic peg. And this is so me now. I mean, look at that, guys. Look at that. I love the detail somewhere here on the waist. Look at that, oh. Parang merong pasilat ng skin right over there and there. So it gives you the illusion of a smaller waist, which we all like, guys. So I can imagine wearing this already during sunset cocktail hour or maybe brunch date with family or friends. It's just so perfect. It's so beautiful. I'm super duper duper happy. Now, guys, for my last purchase, it would have to be in this beautiful red box. Oh, wait, let's clear out the area first. Ta-da! So, a little backgrounder lang, guys. I literally asked my best friends and my sister if I should buy it or not. My sister said, wag na. Saan mo naman gagamitin? But my best friends said, go for it. So, dahil may against at may nag-o-object, pinag-isipan ko talaga siyang munang mabuti. Itinulog ko muna siya, pinag-isipan ko ng mabuting-mabuti. It has been sitting in my cart for 2 weeks already and I'm actually asking for signs if I should buy it or not. By the way, you guys, it's already on sale when I added it to cart. Parang mga 25% off. So, after 2 weeks, I checked my cart again and then, I was so surprised na nag-further reduction pa siya. So, on top of the 25% off, nagkaroon pa ng extra 30% off. So, guys, ano na, diba? What to do? Parang a total of 55% na yon, diba? So, I thought hindi ko na talaga siya mabibili. But, guys, it really pays to wait. Pag para sa'yo talaga. So, let's open it. Oh my God. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng box. Box pa lang. Okay, wait. Wait lang, ha? Now, the moment of truth. People of the world. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Pasensya na, malaki talaga yung paa ako, guys. I'm a size 9. But oh my gosh, look at that beauty. Ang ganda! Oh my God, wait. Look, it's so pretty. By the way, guys, this is the Valentino canvas high top sneakers. Look at that beauty, guys. Ay, masyado pala ako mataas. Anyway, look at that beauty, guys. I love this one so much because I think it's like a simple statement piece that you can add onto your simple shorts and shirt and some. You know, I think for me, this is something like super wearable, practical, and multifunctional. I think I can wear it over a dress, joggers, jeans, shorts, like I said, or maybe dress it up with a nice pair of suits. Super nice, super chic. There you have it, guys. Sabi ko nga, diba, that I believe that fashion is an art and that to me, buying these fashion pieces are more than just clothes and kaartehan. To me, it's like buying an art piece that you can bring with you anywhere you go. I think it greatly represents different aspects of one's personality. It's something that I can pass on to my daughters. When the time comes, vintage na siya for sure. And you know what? It's something you can appreciate over and over and over again. And with that being said, thank you so much, guys, for sharing a little bit of happiness with me today. Sana nag-enjoy kayo as much as I did. And if you still want to catch my first huge Net-a-Porter unboxing haul, I'm gonna be putting the link in the description box below. And guys, please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button. Follow me on my social media accounts. Give me some lovin', and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye!